welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a little bit of a different video. I'm dressed down, super casual, and we're going to talk about what's in my bag. So I have two makeup bags that I carry with me in my purse. I know. It's too much. I know that. And it's also too much because I don't use them that much anymore. Since I've started to wear better foundation, my makeup, I don't need to reapply or touch up my makeup hardly ever, like really never. So basically this bag has been untouched for a while. And then I have a whole entire bag filled with lip glosses. I honestly think that's really almost all that's in there is lip glosses. There might be one or two lipsticks, but it's mainly glosses. And I carry these around in my purse every day. It's no wonder my back hurts. These are heavy. So we're going to go and look inside and see what's in my bag. So we're gonna start with the makeup. And this is my makeup bag. So we open it up and oh, it is a mess. It is a mess. We have some hygiene products. We actually do have lipstick that, this is my Hermes, I think this is Beige Kalahari. Yes, this is my favorite, my favorite lipstick. I had it, I took it with me to my son's graduation and I put it in my makeup bag to bring back upstairs to my vanity, which is where I normally keep it. So I'm actually gonna take it out of my makeup bag and keep it on my vanity, which is where it belongs. I have some hand sanitizer. This is the Grove hand sanitizer. It's in the scent blood orange, and I love it. It's very citrusy. It's not drying. I've gone through a lot of this. I have some powder. So the pressed powder that I carry with me to touch up throughout the day, I've had for years, and I've repurchased this product many times. And this is the MAC Studio Fix. Kind of got a little bit damaged there, but this is what I would use to when my face would get oily during the day, back when I was wearing different foundations that weren't controlling my oils. I would touch up with this. This is a very like foundation powder like coverage, so it's a very full coverage powder, and I would use that to basically reapply my foundation through the day. But these days I don't have to, because I've started to wear better foundations, and because of that the rest of my makeup stays on. So basically everything else in this bag has been here for years. It's probably time to declutter it, honestly. I have a mirror. So this is a Sicily double-sided mirror, just nothing special, literally just a mirror. This is a Bobbi Brown blush. I don't know if it's a blush and a highlighter, but two blushes. And this is old, you guys. I mean, this is really old. But I keep a blush in there. I have a Bobbi Brown eyeshadow palette. I mean, I don't even know what the name of it is. I don't know anything because it's so worn off and it's been in there forever. But it's just kind of like an everyday palette. Very neutral. And basically this stuff is in here if I need emergency makeup. So this isn't makeup that I'm really using. You know, last minute something comes up and I need to apply some makeup. I have stuff with me. This is a hand cream. This is Bath & Body Champagne Toast. This is one of my favorite scents from Bath & Body. And so I have hand cream. I have another hand cream. This is the La Mer hand treatment. This is a wonderful hand lotion. I love it. I use this one sparingly because it's so expensive, but so good. What do we have here? This is a Bobbi Brown Long Wear Liquid Eyeliner. I don't like this. I know I don't like this. And this is the liquid eyeliner that I used to wear. And really, I never wore it because I just couldn't get it to apply right on my eyes. So then I stopped wearing liquid eyeliner, and it was because of this. So I really should just throw that away. I have a Bobbi Brown Longwear Cream Shadow Stick, and this is in shade Taupe. So it's just a cream shadow, and it's like a mini travel size. More hand cream, just a little sample size. I probably could get rid of some of the hand cream and just carry one. I have a nail file because you always need a nail file. Band-Aid. Hair tie. And then I have some makeup brushes. This is a Bobbi Brown blush brush. And then a Lancome little eyeshadow brush. I have a Tide stick. This is mainly, honestly, for my husband. He is a slob. More hand cream, but this looks like it says hand and nail care. Neosporin. This is pretty much for the children, really. I have a perfume, a rollerball perfume. This is my favorite scent in the whole entire world. And I actually don't think I've ever talked about it, but this is like my scent. This is Issey Miyake. I have worn this since high school. And even today, 25 years later, when I wear Issey Miyake, when I go out, people will compliment me. People will stop me and be like, what are you wearing? And it's Issey Miyake. And this is gonna sound silly, but it's like, it just, I don't know. It mixes with my skin, and I've been wearing it for so long that it's just like it is my scent. So I will always have a bottle of Issey Miyake on me at my house. It is hands down my favorite perfume, which is why I have the roller size. And then I have some eye drops. So I've got the Refresh, just like, this is like basically just lubricant eye drops. And then I also have a bottle of Lumify, which I can't live without. It's really good. It really takes the redness out of your eyes. And then I have a little sample of the La Mer face cream, which I think is almost empty. Let's see. Yeah, I don't even know why I still have it. It is, we can just throw that away because it's empty. And then I will put a new one in here because I do always keep a face cream in my purse. You never know when you're gonna need it. There are often times I would walk out of the house and forget to put lotion on or like moisturizer on. And this was back when I would put my makeup on in the car, which was not that long ago. But I would forget moisturizer in the morning because I was doing other stuff, so I need moisturizer. Or if we're out with the kids, or we're on vacation and I need it or the kids need it, especially mainly in the summer when I get suntanned, like my face gets burned or something and I need to keep constantly putting moisturizer on, I just always have to have a moisturizer. So that is always in my purse. But I think a lot of this I can probably declutter, and I probably should, and then I can combine the two bags to make one. That'll be the goal after this video, is then combining these two bags to make one. Speaking of the next bag, this is just a Chanel little bag that I got like a gift set a couple years ago. It was like 3 lip glosses or something, I'm not sure. But that's the bag that it came in, and it is now filled with lipsticks and lip glosses. So that is what it looks like. So we're going to start with, I have a House of Sillage little bow. So I keep it in the case. And then here is the actual bow, which I think is gorgeous. I mean, it is so pretty. And then the shade, let me see if I can find out the name. So the shade that I have in here is the Bombshell. And it's just like a nude, pinky rose nude. I have a Chanel lip gloss in shade number 722. and I actually have 2 of these. Why, you ask? I don't know. Apparently I really love this shade, which I do. This is a beautiful, beautiful topper shade. I give this shade to people as gifts because I think it's like a perfect shade for any skin complexion. I just think it's a really, really great lip gloss. I'll swatch it because it's one of my favorites. I mean, it's perfect. I have a Sicily lip gloss, and this is in shade number 3, Sunrise. That's just a pinky sheer nude. This is another Chanel lip gloss. This is shade number 119. This is actually my favorite lip gloss. I think it's just gorgeous. I have another Chanel lip gloss. In case you haven't noticed, I love Chanel lip glosses. I think they are phenomenal. This is shade number 728. So I got this when I got this bag. This was one of the shades that came in it. I thought I was going to hate it. It just looks really like pinky, poppy pink, but it's not. That's what it looks like swatch, but it doesn't look like that on the lips. It's really, really a pretty, very pretty lip gloss. And this is another Chanel lip gloss that came in that same set, and this is shade number 774. So it's just kind of like a sheer gold glitter shade. We're still going. We still have lip glosses. This is a Charlotte Tilbury, and the print is way too small, so I'm not even going to pretend. But again, just a shimmer, clear shimmer. A Chanel liquid lipstick, and this is in shade Tender Beige. So that's a perfect nude. This is one of my favorites. These are so good. I have the Westman Atelier, which I was looking for this a few days ago and I couldn't find it. And this is shade Nana. Again, I like nude lip glosses. A Chanel lipstick. This is shade 434 Mademoiselle. And it's just a really good nude lipstick. Another Chanel liquid lipstick. This is shade 48 Soft Rose. I'm gonna swatch it up against the Tender Beige. So it's a lot darker and it's dark. And then another lip gloss. I don't wear this one. I don't even know why it's in my purse because I don't wear it. It is shade 414. And this one is a lip blush. So this one isn't, so this is more of like a, so you can see that it's not the sheer kind of lip glossy color. I just don't, that's just not a color for me. But I have chapstick. I have another chapstick. I have a Bond No. 9 refill, and this is in shade Highline. And this is a really pretty nude shade also. So that's Highline. And then last but not least, I have a Rouge Cocoa Flash shade number 82. Live or Live, I don't know which it is. But it's right there. So that is what is in my 2 makeup bags. I definitely think I can condense. I don't think I need to carry with me all these lip glosses. There's just no need. That's utterly ridiculous that I have this many lip products in my bag that I rarely use, because I will apply my lipstick or my lip gloss in the morning, go to work, and then maybe touch it up once, maybe. So it seems silly to carry all that with me. So I definitely will condense. We will condense. All right, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Let me know if you like this kind of video. I've seen these on YouTube before and I thought they were fun, so I thought I would give it a shot and go through these bags. And plus, it really helps me. Let's be honest. It helps me to see what I have, kind of take inventory and think and realize, what can I get rid of? What don't I need? Because there's a lot of stuff in here I don't need. All right, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope everyone has a wonderful day. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.